I actually have no regrets and I have no complaints. You know, being single without kids in your 40s. And I actually say that with pride. And of course, everyone that I've encountered in my life is so amazing. And they're all part of the wonderful journey. And I'm so grateful to God for all of them. You know what I mean? Well, what my point is, we change as human beings and we also change in what we are looking for. I'm really genuinely wanting to accept the path. Even if children, I love kids and I don't have kids, I still think about it. Would I ever? Today, alam na natin the various possibilities and I'm still wondering and I accept honestly talaga. I accept whatever God has in store for me. Kinakabahan nga ako eh. Kasi parang, oh my gosh, kahit naman wala nga akong dinidate, iniisip ko, oh my gosh, am I ready to be a mother? Nakakatawa and I'm 42 and I'm saying that. So, I really just want to accept God's plan, or not.